All right guys, you know how much I love an adventure and a good four-wheel drive. Today we're in Melbourne and I'm super pumped. We're gonna test drive one of these Infiniti QX80s. These things are absolute beasts. We're gonna take them off road, we're gonna hit the highway, and then I'm gonna cook up an epic feast. We're gonna do a green shakshuka, some cracked eggs in there, really simple, really healthy. First things first, let's get the adventure on the way. Yo! Yep.
That's it. Get the drawing. Let's go.
Okay, what do we do? Straight down? That is ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. My foot is completely off the brake and the accelerator right now. It's literally just doing the work itself. All right, so we have some epic four-wheel drives in the background. We have a mansion in the background, and I'm gonna teach you how to do a really quick and delicious green shakshuka. So a whole bunch of seasonal veg, you know, really good, sustainable, tasty ingredients. The key to this recipe is it's quick and it's all in one pan, so it's mess-free and delicious. We've done a shakshuka before. It was a tomato-based shakshuka. It was hearty. It was a different kind of shakshuka. This is a green shakshuka, so lots of green seasonal veg. It's my take on it. It's got a whole bunch of those, you know, Middle Eastern spices. It's simple, it's tasty, and it's a really great sharing dish. So, first step is to chop up our onion, our chili, and our garlic. Nice and rustic, nice and quick. You want the pan at a medium heat, and we want to caramelize this down until it's tender and gorgeous. Some spices. So I have some coriander seed that's going to go in there and some cumin seed, so all ground, and that's going to add to that flavor profile. I'm going to add some fresh lemon rind in there and the juice later on. But what we're really doing here is layering flavors. So we've got an onion, we've got a garlic, we've got chili for spice, we've got lemon rind, cumin, coriander, you know, all in this beautiful one pan dish. While that's cooking away and caramelizing, I'm gonna prep our other ingredients. So some beautiful broccolini. So I want this crunchy, I want it to have its integrity still. I'm just gonna pick some dill and some mint into this bowl of beautiful English spinach. And that's gonna be folded through at the very end, just to, you know, release and add a whole bunch of flavor, but also it's gonna drop a whole bunch of moisture in there. And spinach and fresh herbs are so great for your health. So the sauce in this shakshuka is going to come from, you know, the natural water and liquid that comes from the herbs and the spinach and the peas and the broccolini. And then we're going to cook our egg using, you know, a mix of the lemon juice and all those juices, plus the steam that comes from, you know, all that beautiful flavor. So it's not as saucy as a red shakshuka, but I can guarantee you it's just as delicious and packs a flavor punch. All right, we're gonna go in with some peas as well, so some green peas. These are just frozen green peas that have been defrosted. If you want to pod your own, by all means go ahead. It's a real pain in the ass job. I'm gonna go straight in here. Now we're gonna add to that a good handful of those herbs and spinach and just wilt them down until they're soft and they release all that beautiful liquid. Oh, this is gonna taste so good. It's a really nice, light, and refreshing take on a shakshuka. I love the tomato base, but the tomato base can be really quite heavy and sometimes too dense. So by adding citrus and light ingredients, you know, it really lifts and lightens the flavor of the shakshuka. And it sort of makes it perfect for summer. So it's a really great summer sharing dish. How many eggs do you want? 4 eggs it is. And then we're just gonna cook them gently. So I've just got a makeshift lid on top of the eggs, just to make sure they cook through from both ends. It's gonna catch some steam. And now I'm just gonna set up some garnishes. So I'm just gonna slice up some avocado. We're gonna garnish it with some natural yogurt, and then we're good to eat. It's that simple. Everything in one pan, delicious in-season ingredients, beautiful soft runny eggs, and we've got a green shakshuka. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to make my one pan green shakshuka. And this, my friends, is a feast you will need after a massive four-wheel driving adventure. Oh, that smells so good. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. This recipe and so many more are at bondaharvest.com. Check out Infiniti. We'll see you very soon. Peace.